Hi everybody, my name is Andreas from Aptis in Germany.
Hi, I'm Nino from Comalatech.
Hi everyone, I'm Sandra from Atlassian.
Hi, I'm Domenico, one of the CEOs of Actonic.
I'm Dea, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager at Kaler.
Hi, I'm Mara from XApps by Decades, and we're based in Germany.
We are quite excited to join you in Budapest and meet you all in person, since the last time we wasn't able to attend. This year, we are going to show you how Epic Summer could help you to speed up your everyday work, especially for project managers.
Our company started building apps for the Atlassian Marketplace in 2008, and it recently got much bigger when we joined AppFire. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in Budapest, where we will be talking about our newest product, Pepper, which is a tool that lets you get the right Confluence documents to the right people, anytime and anywhere.
I've been to your events a few times and I had a lot of Palinka shots in the past, so I can't wait to come back and see you all there.
From our main office in Stuttgart, Germany, we are unfolding the potential of our customers and also our partners with customized IT solutions, but also with our products. We are really happy to attend META-INF Day this year in Budapest and meet our partners, and may also you live again.
And Kaler is a software development company from Croatia that aims to unleash the power of Atlassian Cloud by creating innovative apps. We're excited to present our apps that improve visualization in Jira and Confluence, and of course the famous META-INF party. It's going to be hard to top the one in Vegas, but we're super excited to see what you prepared.
This is our first time at the META-INF Atlassian Day, but we're sure it will be fun. Can't wait to meet you. See you in June. All the best from XApps by Decades.
See you in June from Aptis.
See you in June. All the best from Comalatech.
See you in June, all the best from Actonic.
I'll see you in June. All the best from Atlassian.